Hi guys, my name is Riya Desai and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. So, today's video is all about my 2025 vision board that I created my 2025 vision board and let's see if I get those things or not. So, let's just get into the video. So, this was my 2025 vision board. I keep this vision board in just a normal 4 by 6 frame, and I keep it on eye like just sleeping here. I'm sleeping here, so my vision board is in front of me. So wherever I'm woken up or I'm working on my bed, so I can just see through. Your vision board always should be on your eye, so you can think about it and you will get those things. So let's start. So this is the first thing in my vision board. This was my boss girl era that I wanted to change my style like a more chic casual something and more like a boss vibe. So yes, I did that. I just recently did that and I did a photo shoot as well, as you can see here. So that I did it, and this year I got an achievement. I got my article in one of the things. So I was so happy. I didn't expect that, but I got it. Suddenly I just got it and I'm so happy and I was so excited about it. So that was the thing. The next thing is like a gua sha and a yoga. So yes, I started doing yoga. I do it every single day, as I can just try to do whenever I get free. I'm doing it. And for the gua sha, yes, I'm doing it almost every single day and twice time in a day. So yes, I'm doing that. The next thing is like a nail photo. So this was dedicated to my nail technician course. I'm living in London, so I wanted to start my own business here, and I want to do my nail classes and my nail technician. And yes, of course, I did it. I joined in August and my nail technician course is finished. So I got nail technician certificate and now I can start my own business in London. And I was so happy that I didn't think about it. I was in India and I get back to here, back to on my work, and suddenly I just switch on the courses and I get it. I don't know like how I started. When I started, it was 2-3 months course, and it also has exams. But I cleared everything, and I'm so happy that I did achievement. And of course, I started my own nail salon, like a home-based studio in London, and I'm growing up. Like I'm growing it every single day, and I'm so happy about it. So the next up is iPad and iPhone. Yes, I bought this, and this is the iPhone. AirPod Max. I didn't got that AirPod Max, but yes, this year I bought iPad and new. My phone is like 16 Pro Max. I bought it, so both thing I wanted to change it. My iPod. I have the old iPad. It's been so long years now. It's been 8 years that I was using. Sorry, it was like 5 to 6 years that I was using it, and it was not working well. So yes, hope you watch my video that I unboxed my iPad and I got that. So I believe that once you create the things you want and just in front of you, that if you saw that every single day, that you will get it and you will work for it, that how you can get it. And it's a universe sign, so you will get it. Just do a hard work and your all hard work pays you. So the next thing is my trip. So yes, of course, I was living here like almost 1.5 year and I was missing my family so much. So once I get my PSW, I reached to India and I got surprised to my family, and they were so happy. On that my video, it was like a million views and I was so happy. My mom was so happy. So I went to India for 15 days. I was not thinking, but suddenly I just got my PSW, and the second day I thought, no, yes, I wanted to go there. and I just want to see my mom, my family. I'm living far away. I'm living in London, they are living in India, and my mom called me every single day, when you are coming, at least one time, please come, I'm missing you so much, please come. And I was not thinking, but yes, suddenly my mind changed, and just a day before I booked my tickets and I take a flight and I went to India, and my family was so happy. That was my 15 days trip. So yes, I got that as well. And this delegates to my degree. And yes guys, you know about it, I completed my master. I came here as a student and I completed my master in international business management so well, and I got my degree as well. I'm so happy that one day I was like, Ria, you will not pass. It's too hard. What if you will not pass? But I don't know. And it was my hard work. I was managing my job, my study, and everything. And I did that. And my parents were so happy that I was the first child who got the international degree in business management, and my family background is a business, so I was the first person who got the degree. And I was so happy. My parents were so happy, and especially my dad, he was such a happy. And I got an article in a newspaper. They printed for myself, like it's from my community, and they printed me in a newspaper. And my dad was so happy, and he got so many calls, and they were just proud on me. That's it. So next thing is my savings, wants and needs. So yes, I was doing that. I am on that way. I can't say that I get it, but yes, I tried to do that, and I'm still working on it. So I hope in 2026 I will get it and I will reach though. So the next step is woke up early in the morning. So I would say in 2025 I was woke up at like 9-10. I was a 2025 journey when it started. So it was okay. I was doing well, not well. But yes, recently from last 2 months I started to building it, and I woke up early, and I just set my routine that yes, I wanted to do this things, and I will do it. I will definitely do it. And like now I woke up not 6 or 6:30, yes, but I woke up at 7 or 7:30ish, and I do everything my work, and then I go to my job. There was let's talk about it. There was the days that I don't want to do anything. Like I woke up at 9:30. My job is 10:30, and I got quickly get ready. I did my breakfast, or I didn't make my breakfast. I was not sure, and I was just hurrying. And that day, my day was not good at all. I was like more lazy, more clumsy. I don't know what I want to do, and I was not sure. Then one day I saw one video that changed my life. Like then I sticked it. If you want to start such a things, that you have to start it by today. You can't wait for it. That no, you will do it after a month. And yes, of course, I got some such of body issues in my body. I was facing it. Maybe because of that, I don't have that vitamins, irons. Well in my body, because my eating habit was totally changed. So firstly I consistent with my water hydration, then I change my diet routine, then I eat more healthier food, because I'm working in a restaurant, so I'm running restaurant like whole the day. If they made something, I'll eat it. If they made something, whatever it is that, I'll eat it, and which was not good, because I'm not eating that food that is giving me a more protein. So I was not eating, and I changed that to make a homemade food and cook for myself, and I started that. And yes, now I am more healthier than that, and I don't have any body issues. I don't have anything in my body, and I was so happy. Like there was one time that I got my mood swings. Like morning I was very happy, and the second moment I was like angry. because I'm managing so many things. So I feel I'm stuck somewhere, and I changed it. It takes me almost 2 to 3 months, but I changed it everything, and I'm being more calm, nice, smooth, and I can handle the things now. And yes, I did it. Don't forget the topic, and let's move on to. So this one was dedicated to my book reading habits. Yes, I did achieve. I read 2 or 3 books in this year. Not too much, but yes, in this year I was not reading at all, but I started to reading, and I started reading. I'm reading one of the book is now, it's called it was there, and it's more about business. So it's more about my restaurant business. So yeah, I'm doing that, and I already written down, it's I will create that life that I want. I added a one quote for myself, so as you can see, and the one quote here, it's a family is everything. Yes, now these days I'm taking care of my family so much. Like, I was not that much adult, and I was not thinking about it, but once I living here and alone, so I was thinking about more of my family, my mom, dad, and all. And yes, I'm taking care of them. I tried to do my best. I'm giving my 100%, and they are so proud of me. So yes, I'm doing that. And this was my morning and night routine. So last year I got a very bad breakout, and my skin was not good at all in the January. So I started taking care of my skin, and now, as you can see, my skin is so better than before. I'll share you a picture. As you can see that I have a lot of acne and pimples, which was like, today I didn't have anything on my face, and second day my face is my face with a lot of pimples, and I don't know what to do it. So yes, as I told you, I have such a body issues, and I was not eating more protein, minerals, and vitamins were very less. I didn't have a vitamin D in my body, so I take care of that, and now my skin feels so nice, and I don't have any mood swings or anything. I don't have any sweet cravings, and nothing is there. Now I'm taking care of my body so much. So yes, this was my all the vision boards, and almost I got everything. And this was like, I bought the car, but I didn't did it. Probably I would say it like, I'll do it in 2026. I'm sure about it. I will do that. So this was my 2025 vision board, and I got almost on 90% of the things, and I'm so happy to I get it. And now I'm preparing for 2026. So just wait for a next video. And this was my vision board, and I'm reviewing. I wanted to review that as I can share my vision board and my things to you. If you believe in yourself that you will get it in anyhow, I'm damn sure that you will get it. Just work on it and do your best. That's it. So yeah, that was it in this video. I hope you like it, and if you like it, so please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And furthermore, such a more video about fashion, lifestyle, makeup, and so many things. So yeah, that's it. Like it, so please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I want to reach 2026 almost a 10,000 subscribers. So thank you so much for watching. Hope it works.